Hello there. I've now glued the roof on the engine shed with the ridge tiles. That's all done now. You can see the inside with the roof struts. There's a white mark where the cord joins, but you do get some covering strips to stick on around there. But don't know if I'm going to do them yet or actually make them stepped out. So I've still got that to do, but that's the engine shed, and the little office is done, which will stick to the side. So we've got that, and got the good shed, roof glued on, ridge tiles again, and the platform's glued in there. As you can see, that's again roof struts in. So we've got that. So that's the good shed and the engine shed complete. There's a water tower that goes with that. I don't know if I've got space to actually put that on. And the good shed I have got built. These are two platforms that can go either side. It's just an extra what I've done. Or there's a little goods office that goes onto the side here. So they're done for now. Cheers, thank you, bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.